Hello, welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we present the 5 best 3D printers to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Flashpoint 3D Printer Creator Pro. The Flashpoint 3D Printer Creator is a highly respected and highly winning piece of equipment in this price range to deliver dual extrusion. Farther than its two extruders, it has a non-heated print bed and a standard LCD. It has an enclosed metal frame structure that is strong and solid, as well as an aviation-grade aluminum plate that is completely indestructible. It can be used with a variety of filaments along with PLA, ABS, PVA, PETG, as well as metal-filled and wood-filled filaments. It is simple to use and is fully installed when it arrives and offers customers excellent support service. Features: full manufacturer's warranty, original wood frame, aviation-level aluminum plate. Moving to the next one of the list, in the second position we have the Anycubic Mega S 3D printer. If you want to build a single-pronged model, the Anycubic Mega S 3D printer will have you under its spell with its impressive build volume. It has one of the largest printable areas available when it comes to desktop 3D printers. It has a powerful, durable structure, an ultra-base pro heated bed, a multi-fuel extruder, a calibration sensor, and a run-out filament detector. It entirely meets the standards of large format printing at a very low cost, while delivering promising high-quality performance. You will certainly fall in love with how the Anycubic Mega S 3D printer produces economic yet excellent results. Features: uprated extruder design, resume print and sensor detection, TFT touch screen. Coming up next, in third place we have the Monoprice Select Mini 3D printer. The Monoprice Select is probably the cheapest 3D printer on the market. Although it lacks the advanced properties of more expensive 3D printers, it is an ideal model for anyone just getting into 3D printing. Thanks in part to its low cost, the Monoprice Select is currently the best-selling 3D printer on market. One of the things that stood out about this printer is its versatility. The printer supports any type of filament, from ABS to conductive PLA and composite wood and metal. The printer is compatible with both Apple and PC products. It works with both microSD and microUSB. This printer is not going to cut it for professional use, but if you are a beginner or a student, this is a great 3D printer to learn on. Features: support for all filament types, compact desktop design, sample filament diameter. Now moving to the number 4, Cinder 3D WOX 3D printer. Cinder's is a pretty powerful mid-range 3D printer with a lot of awesome features. Unlike many 3D printers that have complicated filament changes, the 3D WOX has an extremely easy process. Just like swapping out ink cartridges in a traditional printer, all you have to do is remove the old cartridge and insert the new one. The 3D WOX makes it easier to print with their assisted bed leveling that make it easier to keep your bed level so your prints turn out right. Remote monitoring on a mobile smartphone app makes it easy to keep track of all your printing work so you don't have to remain by the printer the entire time. Powerful and intuitive desktop software makes it easier to design amazing models for expert results. The software also guides you in the printing process, helping you to achieve better results, while simultaneously guiding you and improving your abilities. Features: open source filament mode, includes HEPA filter, intelligent bed leveling assistance. In the fifth position we have the Dremel Digilap 3D printer. Dremel is an established brand with 85 years of consistent service. This Dremel Digilap 3D printer is the most dependable low-cost 3D printer on the market, and it's ideal for beginners. It comes fully equipped with a 0.5 kg filament spool from Dremel. With its rigid, fully enclosed structure and third-party UL certification, it is reliable, consistent, and safe to use. The printer is built to print in a non-heated plate with PLA filament, which uses black build tape to help the print stick to the plate. The 4 inches full-color touchscreen enables you to get started with your high-quality printing models. Moreover, with the included Dremel 3D Slicer app, you can upload your files from sites such as Thingiverse. The simplicity of the design allows the printer to be easily maintained, with no inconvenience during printing. Features: quickly and easily make print out, completely pre-assembled printer, 1-year warranty. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best 3D printers. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.